The news of Greg Bird being out for the entire 2016 season is bad news for the New York Yankees. A guy that had so much promise, a guy that made such a big impact last year when Mark Teixeira went down. And even though the Yankees wouldn't guarantee him a spot and talked about how there wasn't many at-bats to go around this year with a healthy Teixeira, a healthy A-Rod, a healthy Beltran, splitting up first base, designated hitter, all those things. Even though the Yankees didn't have a big spot for Bird, you knew he was going to play a role this year because it's very hard to believe Mark Teixeira and Alex Rodriguez and Carlos Beltran all could stay healthy for the entire 2016 season. So now the Yankees need to find a way to fill the hole that Greg Bird now leaves them because he was going to play a role. And Pedro Alvarez, the former Pittsburgh Pirate, former number 2 overall pick in the Major League Draft, a kid that played his high school baseball in the Bronx, should be on their radar. Still a free agent, even though over the last 4 years, he has the 11th most home runs in all of Major League Baseball, including leading all of baseball just a couple of years ago with 36. A left-handed swing tailor-made for the short porch in Yankee Stadium. He's flawed, strikes out a lot, but he can play first, can play third, and he can hit the ball out of Yankee Stadium. As the Yankees look to replace what Greg Bird could have been for them in 2016, they should look to Pedro Alvarez.